Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on AUD So, on my previous analysis, right, I told you guys that AUD will definitely break these lows. So, right now, it is ranging within this level. Have it in mind that AUD will still break below this lows. So, this is the trend line. So those of you that might want to be buying here, I'll personally say you should be careful because when you take a look at this, this is the first movement. Then we had a touch come to hit our trend line. Then the second movement, there is a touch that came to hit our trend line. Then this is the last movement. This movement is supposed to hit this resistance level. If you have to zoom it out, so if you have to zoom it out, let me remove this trend line. So if you have to zoom it out, you see that this is kind of like a key level. This is the resistance level. This is also the resistance level. Now, this is also supposed to be another resistance level. Though market went close to it, it did not tap it though. It was close to it. But we are now having this fall. So many people might want to be taking the buy here, but the thing is that AUD would actually break below this trend line. So be very careful buying around this level. I'm not trying to say you should not buy. If you have to buy, then it should be a short-term buy. You can see liquidity is ranging. This is actually dropped. So the thing is literally ranging here. So a lot of people will start stacking in on the buy, thinking, okay, it seems it is getting weaker and weaker. Let us go long. This is how the liquidity is going to play out, deceiving a lot of traders as it is ranging here. All of a sudden, the market will just drop and it will start dropping. So AUD is literally ready for the drop. When the drop will start is when I can't tell right now, but AUD is ready for the drop. It is just when the drop will start. Probably when that USD DXY start going bullish, then we can now start seeing that bearish move on AUD.